Good morning to everyone. Welcome to the Paper Slide Show. Myself, Nandini UC. I am from Vijayanagara Sri Krishnadevaraya University, Ballari. I am studying M.Ed second sem, guided by Dr. Shushma and Jogan ma'am, Assistant Professor from Department of Education. Topic for the presentation is U-Learning. Concept of U-Learning. U-Learning, also called as ubiquitous learning. It provides smooth and continuous transmission of information in correct way at any time and anywhere. It means no need of time bound for teaching learning. The teacher can take class at any time and does not require classroom for teaching. She can conduct the class at anywhere, and learners can access the information from any device. If you observe figure 1, there is an mobile phone, tablet and laptop. From those, learner can access the information. If you see figures 2, the mentor or teacher can take online classes from anywhere, like at home, at any education institutions, etc. If you observe figure 3, learners can sit at home, can listen the online classes while in traveling such as bus and train. The learners can involve in teaching learning process. In the same way, learners can listen the online classes even at park also, etc. Like this, learner can access the information from anywhere. Next time, move on to the features of U-Learning. First one, inexpensive to produce. It means if both learners and mentors have internet and either one of the electronics devices like mobile phone, laptops, tablets or system, it's enough for teaching learning. No need of classroom, bench, board, etc. Second one, anytime and anywhere. The teacher can conduct the online classes at any time and anywhere. Third one, face-to-face interaction through online. How teaching and learning takes place in traditional way. In the same way, through online, teacher can conduct the classes. In online classes also, there is an high face-to-face interaction between teacher and student. Fourth one, self-paced learning. Some students are slow in learning, some students are quick. It depends on their interest. U-Learning helps them to improve by attending the online quiz, games related to the concerned subjects. Fifth one, small group discussion. There is an option, learners can make small group, they can discuss each other, they can clarify the doubts each other. Sixth one, live webinar. The webinar means web plus seminar. The word itself says the learners or students can give presentation in live through online. Next, I move on to the characteristics of U-Learning. In that first one, accessibility. Learners can access their documents, data, videos, learning materials from anywhere related to the concerned subject. Second one, permanency. There is an option for recording the online classes. So the learners can listen the classes as many times they need until they purposefully deleted that recorded class. Third one is immediacy. Wherever learners are, they can get any information. Fourth one, interactivity. Learners can interact with experts, teachers, or even with peers. They can enrich their knowledge and even they can clarify the doubts with experts. Fifth one is immediately. After the completion of lesson, the teacher can ask the questions for learners. Even learners can answer the question immediately. And there is another option, learners can record the question, look for the answer later. I move on to the benefits of U-Learning. In that first one, portable means carry or movable. Learners can carry their mobile phone, laptops, tablets, etc. wherever they want. Second one, distance education. Distance learning means is the education of students who may not be always be physically present at colleges or university. Through online classes, the learners can complete their course or degree with the help of U-Learning. Third one is cost effective. It is very cheap if you have internet facility or any one of the electronics devices like mobile phone, tablets, laptop or system. It's enough for teaching learning process. Fourth one, Time saving. It is very much useful for rural students. It saves time for traveling from one place to another place. They can sit and listen the class at whenever they want. Conclusion. U-learning is anytime and anywhere learning. All schools, colleges, universities should make use of U-learning. It is very effective for teaching and learning process. A special gratitude to the Dr. Shushma Jogan ma'am, Assistant Professor from Department of Education. Thank you ma'am. She given this wonderful idea. Thank you one and all.